Today I am going to show you the recipe of how to make lemon pepper chicken. For that I have taken half kg of chicken, salt, ginger garlic paste, half lemon juice, black pepper, curd, slit green chilies and 2 bay leaves, cardamom powder and cinnamon sticks. Now let's start marinating the chicken pieces. Let's add 2 teaspoons of salt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and finally we'll take 1 cup of curd. Let's mix it well. Now our chicken is nicely marinated. We'll keep aside for half an hour. Heat oil in a pan. Now add 2 bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, approximately 2-3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, cardamom powder, slit green chilies 2-3, Now let's add the marinated chicken to it. Stir it nicely. Let's add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a mix. Cover it with the lid. And let it cook for 10 minutes. Now let's remove the lid and check our chicken. You can see the chicken is nicely done. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. I have removed it in the serving bowl. Now let's garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. It's a must-try starter recipe for all the chicken lovers.